our Photoshop course. In this video, we'll show you how to remove the background from any photos easily, whether it's a person, product, or logo. Let's jump right onto the Photoshop. So, the quick selection tool. Quick selection tool, first open your photo in Photoshop and then select the quick selection tool from the toolbar or press W on your keyboard. Then click on the subject and select it. Photoshop automatically detach the edges. Once the selection looks good, click on the select and mask button from the top. Now, refine edges. In the select and mask workspace, you can refine the selection. Use the refine brush tool. On the right panel, adjust the smooth and feature silently to improve the edges. Now remove the background. Once everything looks perfect, set output to as a new layer with the layer mask and click OK. Now your subject is separate from the background. You can add a solid color gradient and a new background image behind. So I would like to go with the rectangle tool. You can drag on there, back it on an image, adjust, clean the edges, areas on the picture. Like for simpler image, you can use the magic wand tool. It removes areas on the same color with the one click. Or try the object selection tool. Just drag or a box your subject and Photoshop automatically select it usually using the AI tool. Now I would like to go with the rectangle color in a black way, on a blue way, which you want. And that's it. Remove any background in Photoshop like a pro. In the next lecture, we will learn color corrections and filter, how to make your photos pop. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what tool you use to background removal.